All right, welcome back to Affirmations Part 3. And today, what I'm going to talk about is how to make affirmations really work and how to make them very powerful. You can have the words. Remember, the words for an affirmation are the opposite of what you've been telling yourself. So if you are out of shape and want to release weight, a great thing to say is, I am happy and healthy with my weight at, and then give it a number. But my point is that not only are the words important and they're stated in the positive for what we want, we also want to understand that what really lights this thing up is energy. That's right, the energy behind them. So I shared with you one of mine is, I am happy, healthy, rich, and wealthy. Now, I just want to share a couple different ways I could say that. I could say it, I am happy, healthy, rich, and wealthy. What's the energy behind that? Oh my God, shoot me now. It's just dull, boring, low energy. You can play with it and make it sing-songy, but you got to put some enthusiasm in it. Put a smile on your face. Smiling changes your energy. No matter what kind of mood you're in, if you smile, it changes your energy. So you might say it this way: I am happy, healthy, rich, and wealthy. I am wealthy, happy, healthy, and rich. Any way you want to say it, but you can see the difference and actually feel the difference in the energy. And so whenever you say your affirmations, you really want to ignite it with that positive energy, that expectancy that it's really true, that it's the new you, it's the new reality. So again, the energy behind your affirmations, very, very, very important. And you ask yourself, so with the example of weight, if you were to be weighing your ideal weight, so let's say you want to get down to 135, how would you feel? And then you might feel ecstatic or joyful or healthy. So you might say something like this: I feel happy and alive with my weight at 135. Again, great energy. It's rhyming. Brain likes those little rhymes, that kind of stuff. So again, the energy you want it to be positive and high energy. You want to smile when you say it. It'll make it that much more powerful. It will also shorten the distance or the time it takes to rewire your brain, because your brain will start to create positive chemicals instead of negative chemicals that go into your body, and that'll strengthen your body and even make your immune system stronger. So that positive energy, very powerful stuff, but especially when you tie it to your affirmations. So keep practicing and energize those bad boys, because they will make a difference. It's not a question of if, it's just a question of when. And remember, like affirmations, like everything else, it's the little bit that we do every day consistently that makes all the difference. All right, I love you guys, and we'll see you again soon.